What's up, everybody? Finest Delight Early Bird break 7602. We are full. Again, still chasing the super dice roll. We're going 10 times. Squads first. Yeah, ain't no doubt that. I'll say it after this. 10 times here on your squads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I say? 10, 9, and 10. Again, 10 here. 10 right there. Chicago Bulls up top. Denver Nuggets at the bottom. Ten times now to your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 10 here. 10 here. David Brentar up top and at the bottom. Again, guys, that same card, it's a green explosion, so that's those are 101s. The Dalton Kincaid in that same card sold for $1,200, so it's at least a $1,200 plus card. He's a receiver, obviously. Kincaid's a tight end. And Quentin Johnson, pretty damn good. Good luck here, guys. Finest Delight Birds, 7602. And his bounty keeps climbing. Again, guys, good luck here. Bowman Best Use 7569 has 6 left. So we don't hit Super Fractor here. 7569 has 6 left. To 50, Daniel Gafford on the gold for Dallas. Again, I'll just load all these up. Dallas, Tyler Harper. Anthony Penny Hardaway on the refractor. Going to Orlando. David Brentar. Jamal Wilkes, Lake Show. To 99. And Tyler Harper. Celtics, Jason Tatum. This numbering is hard to see. To 75, Boston. Jet Howard. To 99. Got a nice one coming up. Probably paid for all the spots you took in this break, Tyler. Got black. True black, 1 out of 20 of Scoot Henderson for Portland. Probably paid for all, or at least most of your spots. Nick Smith Jr. to 99 for Charlotte. Debut of Jaime Jaquez to 125. Holy smokes, this stuff is loaded up. This Delight is loaded for the Miami Heat and Tyler Harper. 4 out of 5 of Ray Allen. You go to sell that card, this card, Tyler. I'll buy it off of you. Last card of the break, Jalen Hood. Gold to 50 for the Lakers. Again, let's recap it. Ray Allen was sweet. Again, we'll get some more of this on the website tomorrow, guys. Especially Delight. The Delight's been really good. Penny, Jaquez Smith, Scoot Henderson, 1 out of 20. His jersey number might be 1. I'm not sure his jersey number. Jet Howard, Tatum, Wilkes, Gafford are autos to 50. Jalen Hood, Ray Allen to 5. Let me take a picture of this Ray Allen. Take a picture of Ray Ray. Again, 76 02 in the box.